Hey y'all, Cookin' Savvy here. Let's talk making crazy daisy mornings into easy savvy mornings for a minute. These egg top muffins are a great way to get rid of that early morning brain fog. You can make them ahead of time, that way all you have to do is pop them in the microwave and grab and go. First, grease a muffin tin with butter, then place 3 tater tots in each muffin hole and smash them down. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, heavy whipping cream, shredded cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, and bacon pieces. Add salt and pepper to taste. Then you're going to completely fill each muffin hole with the egg mixture. To avoid making a mess in your oven, place the muffin tin on a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Now that's what I call a savvy breakfast on the go. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Till next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin' Savvy.